All right, all right, all right. How y'all doing, man? It finally happened, though. I finally have a major issue with my bike, but it took 17,000 miles, almost 18,000 miles, to actually show its ugly head. And I'm hoping that Honda Care will take care of it. But the gosh darn ignition switch will not got darn engaged. You can put the key. But nothing happens. You can get the spare key out, and it acts like it doesn't want to go in. So, thinking it needs a ignition switch replacement. I went ahead and contacted my dealer. And we've already got everything, like the order set in place. I don't know if Honda Care is gonna cover it, but I gotta have it replaced, so I need the part. Well, I'll try to give you guys an update here in a few days. That red bike is what I actually originally rode. It's so crazy that I gotta pull it back out to get errands done. My boss is pissed actually. So, but yeah, here's to getting the ignition switch covered, or hopefully, I got the coverage where they give me they reimburse me on the rental. So here's to hoping. Oh yeah, the ugly rust. That shit's crazy, yo. Crazy. But yep. Here's to hoping she's fixed in the next few days, cause I miss riding her already. All right.